Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my name is Faisal and Eid Mubarak to all of you. This message regards to my recommendation for Sarusman IT Cloud, Sherdil IT Cloud Academy, and their cloud business. So really regards the, I'm really amazed and the way they are providing the cloud services in regards to their academy and their cloud business. And I have been their student for about 6 months or so in AWS 3-in-1 course, and really recommend that the way they are teaching, their faculty, their knowledge, their expertise, it really entails cloud era. And I'm in Calgary, Canada, Alberta. I've been working for one of the company of good food as Microsoft Dynamics administrator. So really, the knowledge and the experience I've been getting, and I got through that transition from like on-prem person to a cloud person. From Usman's in particular, his experience and expertise in cloud really given me the confidence and boost required to do daily basis jobs as far as cloud is concerned. So, and really, what I can say, like, the knowledge and the requirement to be a cloud expert is really increasing day by day. You never know, like every business are going towards on-prem to the cloud, or partially cloud, or fully cloud, or some physically on-prem and some on cloud in the middle of somewhere. So really, the requirements is really booming up. Again, my name is Faisal Sheikh. I'm in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and really, and I can feel the confidence that I have after going through their teachings and their sessions of about AWS 3-in-1 in particular. And really, I really recommend their services, both services. I would say that first is Academy, and the other the Sherdil Cloud. The services they are providing for cloud and DevOps, and other domains as well. So really, thank you very much. See you then. Thank you. Take care.